Through the project, the city is looking to electrify 40 vehicles, and it's trialling new electric models, things that probably otherwise it wouldn't have been able to afford, things like a street sweeper, refuse vehicle, JCB, and cars, supporting its ambition to electrify up to 25% of its fleet by 2023. It'll also use that information and learning to inform its ongoing EV strategy. Oxford City Council is also providing the land and the site for the largest public EV charging super hub in the UK. And the grant is also helping to support the Hackney taxi drivers in Oxford to adopt electric vehicles, with some grant funding going towards licensing and test fees, and also a try before you buy scheme, which aimed at giving drivers the opportunity to trial an electric vehicle for 2 to 4 weeks, breaking down some of the barriers that there are to EV adoption. We're just getting the charge points installed, which are going to be the charge points that give electricity to or charge the electric vehicles that we're buying. They're being installed across 4 depots. We're also working on creating the largest public EV super hub in the UK. There'll be a minimum of 50 charge points, 30 fast and 20 ultra rapid. We're really close to awarding contracts for the suppliers to provide the ultra rapid charging points. And these are the closest thing to sort of an electric petrol station. And we're just about to go out to tender for the 30 fast AC charging points. And these are similar in speed to home charge points. So these are for people using the park and ride, people shopping, working or visiting Oxford to plug into when they come to visit Oxford. Really exciting about Energy Superhub Oxford. I think of the technology, the innovation and the partnership working, followed closely by the learning and support that will come from the project for other organisations. I think the evaluation part of the project is going to be really interesting, and I'm really looking forward to sort of what we've learned being used to help support other councils and other businesses move forward with electrification. I'm hoping that it will encourage the public even more to purchase electric vehicles, because now they have an amazing charging hub to go to and be able to sort of charge their vehicles. A lot of residents in Oxford don't have off-street parking, so it will provide that base for them to go to. I think the private wire is also amazing because it provides such a large electricity capacity, which we know is one of the issues with the grid because it's so constrained at the moment. It's going to allow the bus companies to look at electrification at a sensible cost as well. Alongside the actual infrastructure, it's creating a load of learning and knowledge and skills which can support the wider zero emission zone and also support other local businesses and local councils, which I think is fantastic. And it also allows the city just to set a really good example. By having the grant funding, we can buy electric vehicles that we wouldn't have been able to afford before, and it gives us that opportunity to trial them and sort of work towards a wider strategy on electrification.